Sometimes anxiety just gets the best of us. Did you know that Kim Kardashian, oh, she of the massive income and wonderful life, well, did you know that Kardashian had anxiety about her pregnancy and actually used hypnosis to get her through it? Stick around, find out more. Live, trance, and prosper. Hi, I'm Dr. Brian David Phillips, and this is Tuesday. Tuesday is Hypno News, and today's Hypno News, we're going to talk about some celebrity hypnosis on a very important subject. Did you know that Kim Kardashian, of all people, was anxious and nervous about her pregnancy? Well, she was. And how did she manage to get through that? Just as millions of women have done in the past, she saw a hypnotist. And hypnotherapy helped her with her pregnancy anxiety. Now, where did she get that idea that hypnosis might be useful for dealing with the anxiety of birth? Well, she may have consulted many papers on this subject. If you go to my website, there's a link right there to a whole resource, fertility hypnosis links of how hypnosis helps people not only going through birth, but actually dealing with the anxiety of becoming pregnant or the anxiety of pregnancy itself. Plenty of academic studies show that hypnosis works. But something tells me that Kim Kardashian doesn't read all the latest journals on hypnosis. She might, I don't know, but it's a pretty reasonable guess that she doesn't. Where did she get the idea then? A royal decree. Not really a royal decree, but as some of you know, because you read my website, Kate Middleton, the Duchess of Cambridge, actually was admitted to hospital having an anxiety attack in regard to her own pregnancy, and she was having debilitating morning sickness and all sorts of problems with anxiety, and she was treated with hypnosis, and it helped a lot. So, being the royal watcher that she is, Kim Kardashian said, if it helped her, maybe it'll help me. And she was absolutely right. Traditionally, hypnotherapy can be used for many things. Most folks, when they think of hypnosis, they think in terms of phobia, anxiety, stress, post-traumatic stress disorders or sleep disorders, losing weight, stop smoking, a whole bunch of things. And that's because hypnosis works really well for that. Hypnosis also works really well for anxieties related to birth. And so if you're pregnant and feeling a little off about it or worried or concerned, consider hypnosis. Actually, if you're pregnant and you really want to help, you might seek out someone specializing in hypnobirthing, which helps you through the actual birth process as well. Here's a hint. Birth doesn't have to be painful. Pregnancy doesn't have to be stressful. It's a wonderful experience. It's a wonderful process. And if you find yourself having anxiety, hypnosis can help quite a bit. And in the process of birth itself, learning hypnobirthing can do wonders toward the birth process. Doesn't have to be painful, doesn't have to be difficult, can be a beautiful, loving experience. Don't get me wrong, there will be some discomfort, probably, but not necessarily pain. So, you have a little stress, hypnosis helps. Want to have a beautiful birth? Hypnosis helps. Want to get pregnant? Wait a minute. No, actually, hypnosis does help there too. Fertility hypnosis helps deal with the stress of people who are trying to get pregnant. And see, some folks, they really want to get pregnant so bad that they worry about it so much, and that actually stops them from getting pregnant, because stress can actually impede pregnancy. So, fertility hypnosis. Check out my website for the links to various academic studies and websites that might help you on that. And also, well, check out my website for all sorts of cool stuff. But we congratulate Kim Kardashian on the birth of her child, which you already know about North, and so there he is in the news. But we congratulate her, Kim, for making the choice to use hypnosis to deal with her anxiety so that she could focus on the beauty and joy of childbirth itself and the experience of pregnancy. I hope that was helpful to you. We enjoy bringing you information about hypnosis and the hypnosis processes in the community and doing all sorts of stuff for you. So be sure to click subscribe so you get notices about new videos. We have several regular series on my YouTube channel. On Tuesdays, well, that's Hypno News and Rant Time. I bring you information about the hypnosis community and stuff going on in the world, as well as sometimes I rant. Sometimes you just gotta rant. And so that's Tuesdays. On Wednesdays, I answer your questions. So be sure to comment, ask me a question, and maybe I'll make a video answering your question on Wednesday's Tips, Tricks, Methods, and Question Day. Thursdays is a special day. It's special. It really is special. That's trance time, where instead of talking about trance or hypnosis, I guide you through an actual trance experience. Instead of talking about it, we do it. Once a month, we have an extended webinar or seminar. You can always check out my webpage for when the next one's occurring. That's usually an interactive event, so you can ask questions during it on special topics. On my website, you can see upcoming events and things like that. Really quick, before you leave the channel, be sure to click subscribe so you get notices about new videos. And of course, like our videos, comment, ask questions, or just tell us you enjoy what you're getting. Because honestly, this whole channel, the purpose is to help you. And so help me help you by telling us what you want to know about or what kind of videos you like to see. Okay? Until next time, though, this is Dr. Brian David Phillips telling you to live, trance, and prosper. Bye-bye.